Good morning, this is Brandon with Prestige Pressure Washing. We are here today to clean the exterior of this house in Sawgrass Lakes. I am removing the rust with our rust remover chemical. As you can see, it takes the rust off with very light pressure. And then here we have our guy using the surface scrubber to clean the driveway. And there's our pressure washing setup. Take you over here and see what the scrubber can do. Let's go see how our rust removal treatment is working. It's almost all completely gone within seconds. Does not harm the house or the plants. Thanks for watching our video.